बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सब्सक्राइबर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल ऑल टू लर्न। आज की इस वीडियो में हम लेक्चर कंप्यूटर साइंस का जो पास पेपर है 2017 का वो सॉल्व करेंगे। जो आपका आने वाला लेक्चर का पेपर है उसकी तैयारी के लिए आई होप आपके लिए ये वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होगी और आपका जो आने वाला लेक्चर का टेस्ट है वो बहुत अच्छा होगा। अभी ये जो क्वेश्चन करेंगे इनके साथ ही आंसर भी मैं आपको बताते जाऊंगी। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। विच मॉड्यूल गिव कंट्रोल ऑफ CPU टू द प्रोसेस सेलेक्टेड बाय short term scheduler dispatcher, the process that are residing in main memory for execution and are kept list is called ready queue. The interval from the time of submission of a process to the time of completion is termed as turnaround time, which scheduling algorithm allocates the CPU first to process that requests the CPU first come first serve scheduling. In priority scheduling algorithm, CPU is allocated to the process with highest priority. In priority scheduling algorithm, when a process arrives at the ready queue, its priority is compared with priority of currently running process. Time quantum is defined as round robin scheduling algorithm. In multi-level feedback scheduling algorithm, our process can be moved to a different classified ready queue. Which one of the following cannot be scheduled by a kernel user level thread और प्रोसेस रेफर टू 5 पेजेस। ये आप पढ़ें क्योंकि मैं कंप्यूटर की स्टूडेंट नहीं हूँ तो मुझे इस क्वेश्चन की ज़रा समझ नहीं है। A memory page containing a heavy user variable that was initialized very early and is in constant use to remove and then the page replacement algorithm is used to FIFO. Users are unaware that the process are running on a page system. The aim of creating page replacement algorithm is to decrease the page fault rate. A FIFO replacement algorithm associate with each page the time it was brought into memory. Optimal page replacement algorithm is replace the page that will not be used for a long time. Optimal page replacement algorithm is difficult to implement because it requires future knowledge of the referring string. LRU page replacement algorithm associate with each page with time to the time of that page last is used. For 3-page frames, the following is the reference string 0770120302430321201710. How many type faults does the LRU page replacement algorithm produce? CPU fetches the instruction from memory according to the value of program counter. A memory buffer used to accommodate a spoof differential is called cache. चची या कैची, मुझे इसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन नहीं पता. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द एड्रेस जनरेटेड बाय CPU लॉजिकल एड्रेस. रन टाइम मैपिंग फ्रॉम विजुअल टू फिजिकल एड्रेसिंग इज डन बाय मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट यूनिट. मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट टेक्निक इन विच सिस्टम स्टोर एंड रिट्राइव डेटा फ्रॉम सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज इज यूज टू मेन मेमोरी इज कॉल्ड pegging. The interrupt request line is part of that control line. The return address from the interrupt service routine is stored on the processor slack. The signal sent to the device from the processor to the device after receiving an interrupt is interrupt acknowledged. A relational database consists of a collection of tables. A column is a table represent a relationship among set of values. The term field is used to refer a row. The term attribute refers to a column of a table. For each attribute to a relation, there is a set of permitted values called the domain of that attribute. Which of the following is a tuple generating deficiency? Multi-value deficiencies. The main task carried out in the first normal form to remove repeating attribute to separate table. Which of the normal form is based on multi-value dependencies? Fourth, which form has a relation that process data about an individual entity? For NF, which of the following has related entry set of own scheme that is the additional scheme for the relationship set? A many-to-many relationship set. In which of the following a separate scheme is created consisting of attribute and the primary key of the entire set, a multi-valued attribute of the entry set? into NF, no partial FDS exists. Fundamental dependency can help us detect poor ER design. Build and fix model is suitable for programming exercises of 100 to 200 LOC line code. What is the best way to represent the attribute in a large database? Concentration. Designers use which of the following to tune performance of system to support time critical operation? Demoralization. RAD stand for rapid application development. Which of the following model is not suitable for accommodating any change? Waterfall model. Which one of the following is not a phase of protocol model? Prototyping model. Coding. RAD model has 3 phases. 3 phases और 5 phases में थोड़ा डाउट है. What is the major drawback of using RAD model? Both A and C. SDLC stand for software development life cycle. Which model can be selected if user is involved in all phase? SDLC. RAD model. 2 devices are in network if a process in one device is able to exchange information with the process in other device. In computer networking, nodes are the computer that organizes the data, the computer that routes the data, the computer that terminates the data, all of these. Communication channel is shared by all the machines on the network is broadcast network. Bluetooth is an example of personal area network. A router is a device that forward packet between network by processing the routing information including in the packet. A list of protocol used by system. One protocol per layer is called protocol stack. Network congestion occurs in case of traffic overloading. Which one of the following extend a private network across public network? Virtual private network. The network layer connects with packets. Which one of the following is not a function of network layer? None of these. Now routing and inter-networking, now congestion control. The 4-byte IP address consists of both A and B network address भी होते हैं और host address भी होते हैं. In virtual circuit network, each packet contains full source and destination address. Which of the following routing algorithm can be used for networking layer design? All of these. कौन से? link state routing, distance vector routing और shortest path algorithm. The network layer protocol of internet is internal protocol. ICMP is primarily used for error and diagnostic function. The lexical analyzer takes source program token source program as input and producer a stream of as output. Phrasing is also known as syntax analysis. A computer program written in a high level language is called source program. The number of pixels stored in the frame buffer of graphics system is known as resolution. In graphics system, the array of pixels in the picture stored is called frame buffer. Which of the following is a key characteristics of a hacker? All of these. Which of the following focus on the discovery of previously unknown properties of data mining? Which process model should be used? Virtually all situations of web engineering. Incremental model. Which analysis is a part of analysis model? The web engineering process framework. All of these. Content analysis भी होता है, interaction analysis भी होता है, function analysis भी होता है. Which of the following statement are incorrect with reference to web-based system? Web-based systems should be an unscalable. What category of web-based system would you assign to electronic shopping? Transaction oriented. What category of web-based system would you assign to discussing groups? Online communities. W3C stand for World Wide Web Consortium. क्वेश्चन नंबर 78 है हमारे पास. Which of the following is a risk associated with using hypertext in web application? Loss of sense of locality and direction, cognitive overload for user. Which of the following is not a NoSQL database SQL server? Which of the following is a NoSQL database type document databases? Which one of the following is an example of operating system? Microsoft Windows. By default, on which page the header or the footer is printed in MS Word on every pages. Complete the number series. 15, 31, 63, 127, 255 is 5. 11. Solve the question 1 over 4 plus 5 over 8 plus into 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4 equal to, इसका आप खुद आंसर करें. 5 over 12 मुझे लगता है. To fact the music means to bear the consequence. What is the synonym of thesaurus after name? Posthumous after the death. What is the antonym of Mandarin? Straight. Find the correct spell word. C D I C H O T O M Y doctomy. To which fruit is plantain similar to apples? Exposure to sunlight result in formation of dash in the body. Vitamin D होता है. Who was the first American president to resign while in office? Richard Nixon. The current capital of Kazakhstan, Astana. Name the former capital, Almaty. In geography, what do you understand by Pangaea? A supercontinent after partition of Bengal. The capital of East Bengal and Assam was Dhaka. Which was the official language during the Muslim rule in India? Persian. Which of the following is not an Olympic sport? Wrestling. The flag of which country also known as Union Jack? UK. Bau's Forum of Asia, which hold an annual conference at Bao Henan province, China, was originally proposed by former President Rooms of Philippines, former Prime Minister Monhorio Hoskova of Japan, and former Prime Minister Bob Hawke of Australia. क्वेश्चन नंबर 99 है. तुर्की तमाम होना मुहावरे का मफहूम है. बहादुरी ख़त्म होना. मीर खुसरो किस शहर में मदफन है? तो ये हमारा लास्ट क्वेश्चन था. आई होप आपके लिए पेपर बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा. आपका आने वाला लेक्चर का टेस्ट अल्लाह ताला करे आप पास हो जाएं. इस वीडियो को बार बार सुनें और आगे लाजमी शेयर कीजिएगा. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग. अपना ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.